Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add bulk members in MS Teams bulk import. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Microsoft Teams and then you can go to the team or community that you want. And once you have opened that, you'll be able to see this plus icon right next to people's icon. So you're going to simply click on this invite members button and you'll be able to see a text box. It would say type the name, email, or phone number of the individuals you want to add to this community. You can add up to 30 people at a time. So you can simply type down the name, email, or phone number of any person that you want. Simply select that account and then you can type in the next name. And just like that, you can continue doing so and add 30 people and invite them at the same time. Once done, you can simply click on send. And if you want to invite 30 people more, then you can simply click on this icon and type in the name or emails of those people again and click on send. And just like that is how you can add bulk members in MS Teams bulk import. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.